Hello guys, this is Pete. What's your name, Pariti? This is Jolly. Hello, Jolly. Good morning. I don't know what it is. Look, guys, this is Pirate, and we have also two duck, and this is Jolly. Jolly. Hello, Jolly. Good morning, Jolly. Wow. Jolly is so... Oh, look. This... I don't know what name of this two birds. But this is Jolly. Allah. Oh, look. Aray! Don't bite me. Don't bite me, Jolly. Don't bite me, Jolly. Oh my God, Jolly. What do you want, Jolly? Oh, look. I feed to Jolly. Jolly, bite the choo-choo. Wow. This Pinko and I don't know what name of that. Ay! Jolly is so good. Oh, look. Jolly. Jolly. Huh? Hello. Hello, both of you. Hello. Hello. It's a duck. The two duck. Ducky. Peaches. Oh, I don't know whether Peaches. Peaches is a dog. Hello, Jolly. It's a beautiful life. Wait, I show you the Peaches. Hello, Peaches. Hello, Peaches. See, Peaches. This is Peaches. The dog. Peaches is so good. Hello, Lulu. Hello, Peaches. Hello, Peaches. Your nose, nosy. Bye, Peaches. Wait. No, you cannot go in. Okay, guys. She won't come. And bye, bird. Bye. Oh my God. Hello, guys. Good morning. Today is Wednesday. I'm done showering. And then my coworker is sleeping. Today is another day. So now guys, bababa na pala ako. I'm going downstairs. Look. I'm going downstairs guys. In the kitchen. It's a terrace. Terrace. You know. I don't know what's time now. Oh, time check 5:55. Guys, I'm here in downstairs now, and I have what kind of sounds that? Oh my gosh. Camera is not good. So now I make ready the lunch box because again have school. My madam is sleeping. I'm just only me is wake up. Other is sleeping. Basa pa yung buhok ko kasi katapos ko lang maligo. Maya na konti. Hugasan ko ito mamaya. Baka sabihin, hindi ko hinugasan yan. Ako naman. Diyos ko. This is my daily routine home every day. Sleeping, wake up, work, sleeping, wake up, work. Yes, guys. I need this because I have one daughter and my little sister, my father. Okay guys, bye-bye. I need